Hi patrons, this is a video explaining to you how to install your touring kit frame on a Speedmaster 1200. Now the first part is the mounting plate. This mounting plate gets installed with these bushes over here, and it has an angle adjuster in this. It has an angle adjuster in this, so you can adjust the angle of the box if you want it tapered down, a little bit straight, whatever way you want to do, that can be done by using this indexer, right? Then the second thing is you'll be getting bigger washers than this. With the bigger, and here also there will be big washers. Same here, same here, same here. That you'll get bigger washers. With those bigger washers, then you install the carriage. Now, after you have installed the carriage, there will be this piece. This piece will also have another laser cut piece like this, and this part will be flushed with this normally. So this is the restrainer which connects kind of both sides together. And this is another restrainer. You can mount it outside your, if you are using a touring pack, then these brackets come with it. If you are not using the top box touring pack, in that case you will have only your regular backrest. On this bolt, this plate has to be attached. It gives further reinforcement to the whole system, so it takes the cantilever load away. That's the way you have to install it both sides. Now also the position of the box can be lowered further if you wish to. There are adjustment holes behind this. In this there are adjustment holes, so you can mount it at a position that you find nicer from an aesthetic standpoint. That is how you install your whole carriage system. Now once this is done, you would typically place your box at a position that you like, and then there are 3 mounting holes here. 1, 2 and 3. On these 3 mounting holes you will place your box, and from inside you will have to mark the position of the box, and from inside you will be putting another plate that we will give you, and that plate basically holds the box with the frame. That is how you will do the whole installation.